Amazon Cybermonday for 2023 is finally here. In this video, I'll share some great deals on CPUs, networking products, motherboards, and other computer components. Some of these are a carryover from the Black Friday deals, so if you're thinking of buying these, there's still time. Keep watching till the end for our very best deal. Let's start off with a router. The TP-Link AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 router is a great Wi-Fi router for only $110. This router integrates with Alexa, so you can use it to wirelessly control your router. If you're looking for the best router to support multiple devices and gaming, then the Netgear Nighthawk 12 Stream Wi-Fi 6E router is an excellent router for $487, discounted by 20%. Here are a couple of deals on RAM. The Lexar Thor 32GB of DDR5 RAM with a heat spreader is priced at just $85, and the DDR4 version of this RAM is $55. Here are two excellent Ethernet cables, a 100-foot of Cat8 by Vaboku for $48, and an outdoor 100-foot Cat7 cable from Abiria for $29. Now for GPUs. The Zotac RTX 4070 Ti GPU is priced at $791. This is a discounted price of about 10%, and if you're looking for a cheaper option, then the Asus GeForce RTX 4060 Ti 16GB overclocked edition is a good option, priced at $490. For hard disks, the massive 8TB 3.5-inch hard drive storage from Seagate is only $110, and if you're looking for an SSD, there's a 4TB Crucial MX500 4TB SSD for $165. The Acer Predator GM7000 4TB NVMe SSD is 26% off the regular price and is available for just $185. And if you're looking for something cheaper, the Crucial P3 4TB NVMe SSD is priced at $160. However, the Crucial SSD is slower at 3500 megabits per second versus the blazing fast 7400 megabits per second for the Acer. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. Since we're still a small growing channel, everyone does help. Now, latest Z790 motherboard from Asus, the TUF Gaming Z790 Plus for Intel 12th and 13th gen processors with onboard Wi-Fi for $205. This also supports DDR5 RAM. The highly rated PC case, the Corsair 4000D with front fans installed, is only $80 right now. And the powerful AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D is 20% off with a list price of $359. The 13th gen Intel i7 13700K processor is only $345 right now. As for your power supply, the 850 watt modular power supply from MSI is a great option at $98. For monitors, the Samsung 23.5-inch CF396 curved computer monitor is only $110. This is a great option for productivity. Finally, here's the best deal that we found. The Acer Nitro 17 gaming laptop with AMD Ryzen 7 and RTX 4050 GPU is an excellent deal for someone looking for a powerful gaming laptop with a big 17.3-inch screen and 165Hz refresh rate. This comes with 16GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD. This laptop is priced at just $900, which is $300 off the regular price. After watching this video, make sure to check the comments for the links to all the products mentioned. If you want to learn more about motherboards, Ethernet cables, or RAM, check these videos out below. If you like this video, hitting the like button and subscribe would be a great help. As always, thanks for watching.